Tired of juggling remotes and missing your favorite live shows on your Apple TV? Don't worry, in the next minute and a half, I'll show you 3 simple ways to ditch the cable box and stream live cable channels right on your Apple TV. First, check if your cable provider has an app in the Apple TV App Store. Search for your provider's name, like Spectrum, XFINITY, or Cox. Download and install the app, then sign in using your existing cable account credentials. This usually gives you access to all the live channels included in your cable package, plus on-demand content. Second, consider subscribing to a live TV streaming service. Options like YouTube TV, Sling, Hulu Plus Live TV, and Fubo offer a wide range of cable channels without the need for a traditional cable subscription. Simply download the app for your chosen service from the Apple TV App Store, sign up for an account, and start streaming. These services often include cloud DVR storage, making it easy to record your favorite shows. Finally, if you want to use your existing cable box, you can connect it directly to your Apple TV using an HDMI cable. Then, select the corresponding HDMI input on your Apple TV using your TV remote or the Apple TV settings menu. This lets you switch between your Apple TV interface and your cable box seamlessly. So, whether you choose to use your cable provider's app, subscribe to a live TV streaming service, or connect your cable box with HDMI, there are plenty of ways to watch live cable on your Apple TV. Now you can enjoy all your favorite shows in one place.